This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ellen Wilson. Looking for a Gulf Gate home? Great pool home with an open floor plan, new wooden fence around the backyard in 2021. This beautiful 3/2 home has a master suite with a walk-in closet. The home features a renovated kitchen with granite countertops, that opens to the living room dining room combination, plus a den/bonus room. Tile floors in main living areas, plus laminate in the 3 bedrooms with neutral colors throughout. The bonus room that looks out on a covered patio and caged in lanai with a large pool features a large outdoor living space to enjoy the Florida lifestyle. The pool was resurfaced by Mr. Marcite in 2022. The extra-large 2-car garage has extra space for storage or a workshop. The front yard was landscaped in 2021 with large, mature plants. Vinyl windows. New roof in 2017. The water heater is in 2012. The AC is older but works like a charm and has always been on a maintenance plan. Lots of storage and closet space. All in the heart of Gulf Gate, one of the most popular established neighborhoods in Sarasota. Come see this 3-bed, 2-bath, 2-car garage Gulf Gate pool home, at your earliest convenience. You will love the convenient location that is minutes away from everything. Starting with the world-famous Siesta Key Beach, and shopping at Costco, Target, Kohl's, and Lowe's to name just a few highlights. Wonderful restaurants in Gulf Gate Village and the surrounding area and a new library. For more information, review the details below or contact Ellen Wilson at 941-556-2150.